Asaram will not get any relief or respite, at least not now. His bail plea has been rejected by the Jodhpur court. He thought he could escape the law, but with his bail plea now being rejected, the rape-accused self-styled godman will continue to remain in jail. Now, Ashish joining us with more details on this. Ashish, the police had, of course, opposed the bail plea on the grounds that he could come out and tamper with evidence. What exactly were the grounds for rejecting the bail plea?
Sure, Tina, before I answer that question, let me inform our viewers that the Additional Advocate General Public Prosecutor informed me that the controversial godman would spend at least 3 more nights in the Jodhpur Central Prison. Looking at the pace with which the entire legal process is going here at the Sessions Court, and now the Defence Counsel for Asaram would move Rajasthan High Court tomorrow morning. The entire speed with which this entire legal process is going clearly indicates that the Asaram would end up spending at least minimum 3 more nights in the Jodhpur Central Prison. Now talking about the grounds on the basis of which the prosecution has won against the Defence Counsel for Asaram. The very first ground which was presented before the court is that the Asaram can go absconding as he had gone in the case of Indore Ashram, from where he was picked up and arrested and brought here in Jodhpur. Not only that, in fact, Asaram, being an influential person, can temper evidence and threaten and influence victim and her family. That was the second ground presented before the court. The biggest ground which worked in favor of the public prosecutor is that there are 2 more co-accused in this case who are still absconding. One of them is Shilpi, the hostel warden from Chhindwara, who had basically directed and advised the victim to meet Asaram. So these are the 3-4 main grounds on the basis of which the public prosecutor, Additional Advocate General, has won against the Defence Counsel, and now the Defence Counsel is left with no other option than to apply the Rajasthan High Court, and that would happen only tomorrow morning because they need to wait to get the reject order from the Sessions Court. Back to you.
Okay, well, stay on with us, Ashish. Now, like you said, the legal recourse available to Asaram's counsel now is to move the High Court. Let's listen into the statement coming in from them.
न्यायालय द्वारा बापू आसाराम जी का जमानत का आवेदन पत्र अस्वीकार किया है। बेल खारिज कर दी गई है।
अभी आगे क्या करेंगे? अब आगे क्या करेंगे? आपका अगला कदम क्या रहेगा जगमाल जी?
अभी उस ऑर्डर को देखेंगे।
हाँ,
और ऑर्डर को देखने के बाद ये तय करेंगे कि जमानत का आवेदन पत्र उच्च न्यायालय में कब पेश करना है।
जी, कितना दिन लगेगा? बेल खारिज होने का क्या आधार रहा, क्या बताया जज ने?
आधार